Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn about top AWS services. As you can see, many services I have listed here in the screenshot. So we'll discuss about EC2, auto scaling, Lambda, what is key pair, how IAM is working, cost explorer, what is S3, EBS, how we can take the snapshot, how DynamoDB works, what is RDS, how we can configure the CloudWatch, what is CloudFront, what is our Route 53, how we can develop or create our VPC, how we can deploy Elastic IP, what is route table, what is SQS, ACL, ELB, NAT gateway, Internet gateway, security group and SNS. So these all we will cover in this video. So let's start. So our agenda for this video is to understand the first AWS service, and that is EC2. So here we will discuss about what is EC2, why we use EC2, and what are the types of EC2 available. Also we will work on to create the free tier AWS account, and after creation of the account we will log in and we will discuss on the each and every option available in the console, means related to EC2, what options are there, like volume, snapshot, and many more will be there. So we'll discuss on each and every options. And regarding this project work and lab, you can say hands-on lab. So I have listed 3 projects here. In first, it is like simple launch and create our EC2 and access from OT. And regarding to the second project, in this we will create the EC2 instance, and in that we will do the drive extension, how we can extend the drives. We will also work on a snapshot policy manager, and also we will try to create the volumes for those EC2. And regarding my third project, it will be like real-time project, how in AWS using in the corporate. So for that I'll create the jump server, web servers and database server, and also we'll see the concept of VPC. Here we will discuss about EC2. EC2 is also known as Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, is one of the compute service of AWS. It is a web service that provides users with the resources to run application by renting virtual computers. It provides a resizable compute capacity in the cloud. And also why we use Amazon EC2. So you can see here, pay as you go service, no capital expenditure, server as low as 0.02 per hour charge, easy to obtain and set up server instance within minute, scaling up or down can be done quickly. Your account creation, you have to go to the Google, and in Google you have to type AWS free tier account creation. So you got this link, and here you can see that awsamazon.com. So you have to click on AWS free tier link, and you will move to the next page. In that page you will get the AWS free tier account page, and also you will get one button, create a free account. So you have to click on that. When you will move to the next page, here you have to give your email address, password, confirm password, and you have to give your AWS account name. After that, when you will click on continue, then it will move to the next page where you have to validate your card for payment purpose only. They will not charge any additional payment from you without any confirmation, but to validate the card only, they have given that option, and you have to do that. After that your account will be fully activated, and there is no need to worry about money deduction and all, because they will not cut any charges without your notification or something. Okay, so no need to worry about any deduction of money or something. So I have already created my account here, so I'll log in and I'll show you what we can do on the EC2 instance. Hello friends, so now we are in our AWS console. I have already logged in because I have already created my free tier account. So now I'm going to show you how we can create our first project. So I'm going to the services and I'm click on EC2. So once I clicked on EC2, so in left side we'll get multiple options like what is EC2 dashboards. Here you can see EC2 dashboard. Here you will get each and every details of about your EC2 or instance, like how many running instances are there, how many dedicated hosts you have purchased, what are the how many volumes, how many key pairs you have downloaded, placement groups, elastic IP, snapshot, load balancer, and security groups, how many you have created. And in left side you can see events option, tags option, reports, and limits, means what are the limits is available for your account. Also in instance option you can see instance. When you click on instance, so you will go to the instance console, and here you will get how many running instances are here. And if you will click on this instance type, so you will get how many types of instance are here. This is launch template, this is a spot request, this is savings plans, this is reserved instances, this is the dedicated host options, and this is capacity reservation. Okay, so regarding spot instances, this is the type of instance, means here it is written request, but this is the type of instance. Saving plans means under which plan if you are going, then you will get the less bill. So that type of things is there. Also how many reserved instance option is here, and capacity reservation. And if you click on image, so we'll get two options. One is AMI and bundle task. So AMI is Amazon machine image, means if you have created any image, so by that image you can create your instance. Okay, then if you go on storage option, like volumes, snapshot, lifecycle manager, means if you want to take the snapshot of your EC2 instance, so you can create your lifecycle manager here, and under that on repetition option it will take the snapshot for your EC2. Also regarding network and security, you can create the security group, means which inbound and outbound rule you want to create. And here is also the second option is elastic IP, how many elastic IP you can purchase and assign to the instance. And also placement group is here, key pairs option is here, network interface is also here, means you can add additional network interface to your instance. And regarding load balancing, here load balancer is here, and target group. So later we'll discuss about all these things. Okay, and also here is auto scaling, so you can scale up or scale down your instances. So now we have successfully launched our first EC2 instance and it is in running state. So now I'm going to connect this EC2 instance by putty. So here down you can see the public IP. So you have to copy this public IP. I have copied, and now I'll open putty, and putty you have to convert your downloaded file in the PPK format. Then you will be able to connect through putty easily. So now I'll click on auth, and after that I'll click on this. I'll select my key and open. Once it opens, so I'll give the default username. So here you can say I have connected to this server. So successfully we have completed our first project. Thank you so much for watching this video.